Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It's fantastic to have you here for a new crossbow video. This is a simple modification you can do by yourself using only some strips of super fine grit sandpaper. Practically speaking, you have to polish the latches that hold the string in position when the crossbow is cocked. When you pull the trigger, these two latches are released. The string is freed and the dart is fired. By polishing them, you will make your string last longer and increase the accuracy and consistency of your crossbow. The best moment to do this activity is before mounting your crossbow, but you can do it anytime. The latches of your crossbow may be already polished, but they also may have some invisible burrs that could worn out the string in no time. First of all, apply some masking tape to avoid any metal dust to enter the trigger mechanism, and a piece of leather or plastic to hold the anti-dry fire lever in the upper position. Then cut some strips of the finest sandpaper you may find. 1050, 2000, 2050 grit will all work fine. Cut them 4-5 mm wide. Now insert the strip and polish the latches as you are polishing your shoes. Try to change the angle and to reach every edge. The goal here is to polish and round up all the edges of each latch. Leave them perfectly smooth, clean, and definitely with no burrs. There are many edges to be cleaned, and the position may be quite uncomfortable, so you will need some patience to make a good job. Take your time and you will be rewarded. Then, when you are satisfied, use a clean, soft rag or paper towel to remove all the metal dust. Now you can remove the masking tape and enjoy a better string release action of your trigger mechanism. Clean the rail, lube it well, and you're ready to go. Be sure to check my other crossbow video. I'll add the link in the description. And stay tuned for more to come. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, thank you for watching.